Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut auto captions for social media videos. Use CapCut's auto captions to quickly generate, edit, and style subtitles for social media videos by selecting text menu and choosing auto captions, the second option. So tap in. This feature automatically transcribes spoken audio or video. Right? You can choose from or generate from video or voiceover or audio, basically, allowing for quick customization of fonts, animations, and batch editing to make videos more engaging on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So you could choose this one for TikTok or Instagram, and I hit generate to see what it's going to look like. And now all I gotta do is just sit and wait. All right. As you can see, if you played the video, you're gonna see the subtitles fitting for social media use.
Smooth slow motion can make ordinary clips look cinematic. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clean slow motion effects in CapCut.
So, key tips for better captions. Manually check for errors after generation, which is rarely, right? Especially if there is a background noise. Utilize the word styling option to highlight specific words or create stylish, engaging subtitles. Once satisfied, click the export button in the top right corner to save or directly share your video. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.